Hi, now I'm going to do my 7th experiment in Unix lab. This is my question. Um, my first question is write C or C++ program to copy the content of one file to another file using Unix system calls. Okay, then program to construct concatenate two files and write into the third file. Okay, reading the file from two files, reading the content from two files and write it to another file. Then program to append some data to an existing file using Unix system calls. Program to randomly access a file using Unix system calls. Now we'll see the codings. This is the first one. This initializing some int variables that is f file directory 1, file directory 2, then character buffer array, that is character array, then file name, that is also an array, then second file name, that is also an array. First cout, enter the file name, getting the file name from user, and open that file and reading that file, read only option. If that file directory is equal to -1, that is it will show file does not exist. Else, reading the file directory 1, storing in buffer, that is 100 variables, that 100 size of the file, the size of the buffer file. Then displaying that buffer, then enter the new file, that is f2, getting the second file name from user and storing that writing that file 2, that buffer into that file 2, file directory 2. Now we'll see the output for this. .cpp .out. I am giving the file name as 71.txt. I already created that. I have some content in that. This is the content in that file. I am entering the new file, that is like 75.txt. Just copying that 71 and pasting into that 75. This is that. Then next one, AI. In this character array, that is f1, f2, f3, then buffer 1. First getting the files from user, that is enter the first file name, second file name, third file name, and getting the file names from user through the cin. Then int file directory is equal to open f1, reading the f1, if equal to -1, file does not exist. Then by opening the file directory 2, then if equal to -1, then file does not exist. Then file directory 3, that is for write only option. If is equal to -1, then that also file does not exist. Else, read the file directory, read the first file and store it in buffer, then read the second file, then store that into the buffer 1, then write the buffer into the file directory 3 and write the buffer 1 into the file directory 3. Then it has been written. It will show it has been written. This is the coding for that. Let us see the output for this. Enter the first file name. First file name as same as I given. Second file name 70.txt. Third file name 73. 76.txt. Yeah, enter. file doesn't exist, so there is no file like that. Let us see what are the files I have. 71, only one file, so I have to create 72. Okay, vi 72.txt. In this I am giving hi something done. Okay, now I am saving this. So now I am getting the output for this one. First file name is 71.txt. Second file name is 70.txt. Third file name is something. I have to create 75 also. It has been written. So we are going to see what is in 75. I have both. This is from first 71 file, then done is from 72 file. Both are written here. That's it. Then let us see clear. Then 7c cpp. In this, just creating character array and buffer array. Enter the file name, getting the file from user, then int writing that file. If equal to -1, that file directory is equal to -1, file does not exist. Else enter the data to be append. That is, whatever I have to enter, I can enter here. That will store in a buffer. Then that will be write into the file, or which file I have given. Let's see output for this. Sorry, a dot. File name is 71.txt. I have to enter some value like this, then enter. Yeah, it has been written. Let us check. Then next experiment vi. Here creating into variables, that is file directory, then post, then ptr, then character buffer array, then file name array. Enter the file name. See in getting the file name from user. Then if the file which file name I have given, reading that. If equal to -1, then the file does not exist. Else enter the location from where to begin access, then which position, that is which pointer, then position slick fd pointer comma 0, int read position 200 minus pointer, read fd buffer read position. The content of the file from the position is this. That is the whatever I have given that position, it will store in the buffer, then the buffer will display it. I am giving that file name 71.txt from 2. The content is this is smash. So that hi, that is in first position, that is not displayed here. That's it. Thank you.